Warning, it may be a terrible idea to drink every time I say Now TV in this video. What is Now TV not telling you about Game of Thrones? Welcome to 100% Jim. I am Jim and this is my channel. This was just going to be a normal unboxing video, but I thought I'd spice things up a little bit. My videos can be a little robotic sometimes, and it's really hard for me not to sound posh, and it's also hard for me not to be myself fully. So let's just try and relax, take a deep breath, and begin. I'm going to tell you something Now TV doesn't tell you about their offers and services, and also about something that I personally didn't realise about how long Game of Thrones can be watched on Now TV. But first I want to tell you about the reason I bought this stick. Well, I bought it so I could legally watch Game of Thrones. I do know ways to illegally watch it, but I thought if everybody watched entertainment without paying for it, entertainment would just get shitter and shitter until we ended up in some sort of fucked up dystopian future where we are forced to watch reruns of Friends and Dad's Fucking Army forever. I don't want that shit. You feeling me? Anyway, that's my 2 pence, where I prefer to pay for content to help support the entertainers for us the entertained. I could now go into some long fucked up story about how everyone on the planet is either an entertainer or an entertained person, but I'll save that for another video. So, let's get to the matter at hand. Now TV. Be Sky fucking B's answer to the evolution of entertainment delivery. These days, everyone normally has some sort of way to stream their favourite content. I could now go on some massive tangent about how we are in the golden age of entertainment and how it's so fucking easy to watch what we want these days, whenever, wherever and however. And I could also say that we were all just fucking spoiled entertained zombies getting fatter and fatter as we just sit here and suck it all in and one day die a horrible self-inflicted painful death. But I'll just save this topic in my file of YouTube future videos for another day. Right, let's talk about this stick. It's a good stick. It does all you want from a streaming stick. It was easy for me to set up, as well as the normal shit that these devices can do. You can talk to it, you can also turn on and off your TV, turn the volume up and down, pretty much eliminating the need for your original TV remote, and that's a pretty good thing in my book. This is the stick you need for Game of Thrones. It comes bundled with 2 months of the entertainment pass for between $14.99 and $17.99 from most retailers, but buyer beware. If you cancel before the end of the 2 free months, they might just cancel them, just like they did for me when I cancelled. I had to do live chat on their website to sort it out. It turns out that you have to wait till just before the billing date to cancel if you don't want to lose your 2 free months. Bastards. Anyway, if you're still happy with that, then you should definitely use my Amazon affiliate link in the description to buy one, because I'll get money and that would be fucking amazing for my 7-year plan. Yes, my 7-year plan probably will be in another video in the future. This is just another great reason to subscribe to my channel. Yeah. Now TV offers 4 different passes. The entertainment pass for box sets like Game of Thrones, Sky Cinema pass for movies, the Sky Sports pass and the Kids pass. They all cost varying amounts of money per month, with the Sports pass costing the most and the Kids pass costing the least. But shop around on comparison sites as you can get codes for cheaper deals compared with buying them directly from Now TV. Now, let's get to the point. What is Now TV not telling you about Game of Thrones? Well, if you look at seasons 1 to 7 on Now TV, it says watch until the 1st of June 19. And if you look at the final season, season 8, it says watch until the 19th of June 19. Well, what happens after these dates then? I did not know the answer to this question, so I asked Now TV support via their handy Now TV live chat on their website, which has opening hours between 8 AM until midnight every day, which is a +1 for customer services in my book. Anyway, I made contact with a person called Amruta, which I assume is a human name belonging to a person, presumably female, in another far-away exotic land. Or it could be a fat bloke called Bob, sat on his sofa, eating Pringles whilst balancing a laptop on his mound of a belly. Who knows? Let's just get on and read this transcript in a voice I imagine from my first choice. Amruta. Thanks for contacting Now TV. You're talking to Amruta. How can I help? Good evening, Amruta. I was wondering what is meant by watch until the 1st of June for Game of Thrones seasons 1 to 7. Hello. Good evening, Jim Bob. Smiley face. And season 8, watch until the 19th of June 19. That means we only have the rights to show Game of Thrones content till that period of time. Okay, so does it just disappear after that to the highest bidder? Does it ever come back? So, for season 8, it's available till the 19th of June 2019. Yes, it disappears, sad face, because of the rights of the content. Can't comment on it that it will come back or no, but if it does, you'll be able to see it on our website. Smiley face. Okay, thanks for your help. You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help with today? Or are you happy enough for me to close my notes on this account? ? No thanks, you have been more than helpful. I am grateful for your help. You're welcome, smiley face. If it's not too much to ask, please share your valuable feedback. A survey will be sent to you through an email. Really appreciate your thoughts. You can expect a survey hitting your inbox in an hour from now. So now you know, it's just gonna disappear. Personally, I can understand what has happened. Now TV has paid a ridiculous amount of money to be one of the first to be able to stream the final season of Game of Thrones in the UK. It's understandable. Game of Thrones is hot money-making property. Next, the box set makers will want to make their hard copies on Blu-ray and DVD to sell to us all. Amazon will want to be able to sell it for another ridiculous amount of money on Amazon Video as digital and physical box sets, as well as many others who will pay for the rights to sell Game of Thrones content for years to come. The final details of this and how and when it will happen is anyone's guess. Anyway, I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. You watching this video fills my little heart with joy, especially if you enjoyed it. And if you leave a like and a subscribe, I'm sure my whole body would be full of gratitude and happy thoughts. All my social media links are in the description, including various ways to support me and my 7-year plan. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful life and always remember, stay 100% real. Stay 100% Jim.